In one of the viral videos, a customer testing the ice cream by holding it close to a flame said he could smell the product burning although it did not melt. Another social media user put up a video of the ice cream being left in 31 degrees Celsius for about half an hour. The product turned sticky but did not melt into liquid like normal ice creams would. The company, Zhongzhujiao, stated that all of its products are in line with quality standards set by the national authority. South China Morning Post, SCMP, reported, an officer from China's Shanghai Market Supervision and Management Bureau said that they were aware of the videos and said it is investigating the case. SCMP reported the test results from professional testing institutions should be more authoritative. The publication quoted the official. To our naked eyes, the ice cream did not melt. But this conclusion would be better supported by scientific data.